Hi, this is Denise, Elektor Community Manager.
Hello, I'm Arthur from Elektor.
Hello, I'm Rachid from Elektor.
Hi, welcome. This is Clemens at Embedded World 2020.
We are at Embedded World 2020 in Nuremberg. Let's take a look inside.
Hello, I'm Rachid from Elektor and we are here at Embedded World 2020 in Nuremberg, and I'm here with Slavomir and Wojciech from Quickturn. And Slavomir, can you tell me a bit about your startup Quickturn?
Yeah, generally we are a company which produces the software for creating the user interface software for embedded devices. General idea is creating the tool for which allows to avoid some coding C++. In our tool you can rapid prototype your embedded device application. In our case it's automotive because we have the most experience in that area. So generally you have a sketch project or Photoshop project, you can import this in our tool. When you have all assets placed on the screen, you don't need to implement the logic in C++ or any code, you just can use the graph programming, which can be seen in that movie or even here. Let's click on that here. So generally, you don't need to create the C++ code, just the graph programming, which is understandable for not only software developers, but the graphic designers, technical designers, or every person who can make a, let's say, 8-hour workshop and create. You just need to connect things, and when you can run application, our system use the graph system, the data source system, compiles, generate the code, and after all you have something like this. Generally, the idea is that you can also deploy it already to the one target. It's that click you and deploy, just deploy. We need to wait to our system will generate the code, will upload all the code for the target, which currently we use the JSON TX2. We need to wait a while, about for now 35 seconds. When that software will be deployed, we can see on this small display, it's just example of instrument cluster car device, and you then have effects of the work. It can be used for we have a deploy successful. As you can see, we have the display, and overall, of course, if you verify it, if it's okay, we can close the application. We have other features like the VR simulation. We are not able to present it now, but we invite it tomorrow. For example, you would like to verify if your instrument cluster have a good colors, fits to the interior of the car. So you don't need to set up physical stand. You don't need to set up all the things. It's enough that you have a VR simulation. You just wear the VR glasses. In the virtual world, you are sitting in the car. And in that car, you can see the cluster in place behind your steering wheel. You can use, for example, the PlayStation 4 steering wheel, connect to our software and just click, and you see the interaction between you. We focus also for the rapid prototyping. For example, you have 5 ideas. 5 ideas of how to display the car, how the 5 designers have the 5 different ideas. So you need to verify. Not only is this, let's say, looks like good, because it can be the one picture, but we like to verify how it behaves, how it clicks, how it interacts with components. So usually, nowadays, you need to have a software developer who will implement that functionality connects. In our system, when you have a software designer, you just import the Photoshop project or the sketch project. You have placed all the things on the screen. Just implement simple logic like we have there, and it runs. Deploy, and can you verify it, check if the user experience or the simple user and interact, and that we can save money, save your time, and you can choose the best solution for you. Because after all, when you start the real implementation project, you implement all the things, but when the client in the, let's say, the half stage of the project, we verify, okay, we don't like these colors, we don't like things. So in our tool, allows you to detect all the things, all the small mistakes in user experience, and verify in the early stage of project before even you hire software developers. hire them or involve in the project, yeah, because we can have many projects. So currently our stage is the proof of concept. You can download from our site for free. You just need to complete the form on our homepage. We prefer the B2B contact, so if you have some advertisement in your company software, we appreciate any contact. We are looking for partners and also some investors to grow fast, to let's say deploy it on the market as fast as you can.
Thank you, Slavomir. That sounds really interesting, and stay tuned for more info.
I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.